How you doing, everybody? Welcome to Restoration Nation. Today we're going to be working on a pair of 10 shears. As you see in the video, they're pretty rusted up, pretty old. The bolt right there is kind of seized up, so it took a minute to get it off. Once it broke loose, it wasn't too bad getting it off the rest of the way. Now I'm just going to give it a bath in vinegar for a day or two until the rust comes off of it, and then I'll pull it back out and clean it. I think I let it soak for about a day and a half, almost 2 days before I finally pulled it out, which it knocked about 90% of all the grime and dirt off of it and rust, but still a little more buffing to do on it. As you can see, it came out pretty clean with just the vinegar. But then I just used a wire wheel to knock all that extra heavy stuff off of there that was loose but didn't get scrubbed off in the wash. And then after that, we'll move on to paint. I decided to go with the dark navy blue paint. I went with 2 layers, only one shown in the video, but yeah, I did 2 layers of paint on there, and I think it turned out pretty good. Here's the final product of how the shear's color turned out after pulling the tape off of it. I think it's a pretty good color for them. I could have went with the stock color, but decided, have my own colors of tools. But yeah, it's not too bad. If you enjoy the video, please like and subscribe, and I should be putting out 2 a week every week. For more videos like this, feel free to check out my channel at Restoration Nation, or click a video link at the end of the video.